How to enable or disable comments on your REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you been wondering how to control comments from people you follow on the REDnote app? Whether you want to stay fully engaged or just take a break from notifications, I've got you covered. Let me show you how you can enable or disable comments from the people you know on REDnote app. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing first, open up your REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in to access all of your settings. Once you are on the app, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Now tap on the settings represented by the gear icon right beside your profile, and once you land on your settings, scroll through until you find the privacy settings. Just tap on it, and once you find the privacy settings here, you can control everything on your account. So if you want to allow comments for only the people you follow, then you just have to toggle this option on. And if you've been getting a lot of spam comments on your posts recently, then this is a good way to turn off comments for random people. Now, only the people you follow will be able to comment on your post, and you can be very selective about the people you follow. So it's pretty quick and easy. I'll see you guys on the next one.